guys, today in this video we're going to be trying to make Meter Moon Prime. Yes, we are going to Wakey Wise. What's the best shop in Wakey?
From boys?
Sheffield.
What made you come all the way from Sheffield?
Bottle of Prime.
You got a good daddy here, son. What's the best shop in Wakey?
Wakey Wines.
Abdul, come closer.
Abdul, go back.
Bingo, bingo.
Daughter bingo.
Where have you come from, boys?
Without going there, we're going to try making Meter Moon flavoured Prime out of Skittles. Because apparently everybody says that it tastes like the purple and red Skittles. So we're going to go and try and make it taste like Meter Moon Prime. And I mean, we'll never know if it is like, if it does taste like that, unless you guys want to go to Wakey Wise and buy it and then let me know in the comments. But I don't think you will, so today we are going to make Meter Moon Prime. Let's go down to it. Firstly, get a pan. Then get Skittles. Then you are going to open the bag of Skittles and put them in the pan. Then get a dish and either put the Skittles in the dish or the pan. Separate them from large to small, or if you've just got small, separate them like I am doing. Okay, now empty all the big Skittles out. You should only have purple and red big Skittles. Then you're going to get your normal size Skittles and separate them. Okay, now get a kettle of boiled hot water. When doing this, please get an adult supervision. You don't want to put too much water in, as the end result will tell you quite a lot. Now I need to go and wait for it to cool down. Then get a wooden stick to mash them all up with. Yeah, do that. It does look pretty disgusting, but trust me, it smells amazing. Did it taste nice? Watch till the end to find out. Okay, so I don't actually know. Can you put this in here? Would this work? Okay, it looked really weird, but I can tell you guys it smells so good. Okay, so I'm going to pour it only into the middle. Now what we need to do is get an extra dish, which would probably help quite a lot. We're going to pour these into here. Okay. Then I'm just going to quickly wash out this jug. Okay. So now I'm going to pour the contents of that into there. Put this into the fridge and I'll catch up to you in about 5 minutes time. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes. It looks like blood in my fridge, freezer thing, whatever. Okay, 1 minute guys, I'm just going to sort of I'll get you set up to watch me struggle. Yeah, so they do taste nice. Go down. Okay. So, I am now going to print out a label for this prime. So see you when I've done that. Okay, so now we have got the finished drink. Does it look good? No, it does not. Does it smell good? Ah, it does. But now the big question is, does it taste good?